Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how you can use Quizzical Google Forms add-ons to create Google Form quizzes where you can import questions from Quizzical. So what you need to do is you need to install the Google Form add-ons first. So if you go to GSuite Marketplace, here I will put the link in the description below for you to easily access the add-ons. So I can search for Quizzical. There we go. I already have mine installed. So it comes with a Forms add-on and Docs add-on. So today I'm going to show you how the Forms add-on works. Okay, once you have installed it, as you can see here, I'm on my Google Drive. I click New. Sorry, ignore that. Click New. More, Google Forms. Okay, now there we go. Here's my new form that I've created. Then there should be an icon that looks like a jigsaw piece, here, like a puzzle piece. It says add-ons. Once you click on it, there will be a selection of your add-ons. Okay, if you have more than one, it should be a list here. At the moment, I only have one installed. It says Quizzical. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to choose Create Written Retrieval Quiz. Yeah. Okay, now it's working, and there should be a window pop up on your bottom right, as you can see here. And I can select the courses. This is similar to what it looks like on kuizical.com. So courses, let's say I want physics and biology at the same time, 2 courses. And in the topics, I would like waves and cell division. Okay, and I would like a total of 10 questions. Okay, let me check the questions. I think I want to shuffle it. Okay, that looks okay. I can check the answers by clicking this icon here. Those are the answers. And then once I'm satisfied, I can click Create Quiz. Once I create quiz, all of these questions and answers will be imported to this Google form. So let's say I'm going to click Create Quiz. Now, as you can see, it's doing its thing here, importing all of the questions and answers into the Google Forms. All done. You can see here, those are the questions. It creates a long answer text question. There we go, all done. I can delete the first blank question here. Click on delete. There we go. As you can see, here is the question that has been imported. If you click answer key here, there we go, feedback for answers. The answers are imported as well into the feedback space. Now, to be able to use this effectively, what you need to do is you need to go to settings, go to quizzes, and then here release mark, select immediately after each submission, and then select respondents can see correct answers. Right, this is so that they can self-assess themselves once they have submitted the answers to you. You can review the answers as well, but they can also reflect on themselves, make their own review. Okay, then I can click save. Then it is ready. Okay, you can edit the title, you can add more instructions if you like, but that is all what you need to do for this to work. Okay, let's try it out. Let me click send. Okay, I'm gonna copy the link. Copy. I can paste it on my Google Classroom or share my homework wherever. I can just send it to my students. So I'm going to open a new tab. I'm going to paste the link, and there we go. That's my quiz. Right, so let me try to answer this. And then if the students write down their answers here, their answers here. Okay, gonna write their answers, whatever answers they have. Okay, Then once they have completed the quiz, they click submit. And then if you can see here, there's a button that says view accuracy. Okay, once they click on that, they will be able to compare their answers with the correct answers that has been imported to the feedback section. So once I click on it, we'll open a new tab. So this is the answer, and then this is the correct answer. So they can self-reflect if they would like. Okay, they can make corrections. Okay, this is one way of encouraging independency and self-reflection. Okay, now that's it for me. That is Google Forms add-on by Kuizical.